Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to find our private IP address and how to find our public IP address. Now there are many reasons why you would want to do that. That's beyond the scope of this video. I might do another video of what the difference between these two are, but for now, if you're just looking for the quick information, I'm here to give it to you. So, to find your private IP address, we will go to the Start menu and type CMD for command prompt. When you get to the command prompt, you're going to type ipconfig. You can do a /all if you want more detail, but if you're just looking for your IP address, this is good enough. Type that in, a bunch of information is going to pop up, but you're basically going to look for your Ethernet adapter and look for IPv4 address. So this 10.0.0.10 is my private IP address. But what if you need your public IP address? Well, there's a very simple way to do that as well. We're going to go to Chrome and you can just type what's my IP. This used to be my favorite website here, what'smyip.org, but now Google just tells you what your IP address is. Now you might be saying, why are you giving away your public IP address? Well, this actually is not my IP. So don't try to hack me or anything. I'm using a Windscribe VPN here for this tutorial. So, yeah. If you like these videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.